Hey friends, and welcome back. So today I'm pretending that it's not hot outside. I've got my cozy sweater on and I'm in full-on fall mode because I'm so excited. I just received my fall Decor Steals Steal It box. And if you guys are familiar with my videos, you probably saw my very first Decor Steals Steal It box unboxing for summer, and it was just amazing. Like, I was so impressed. It was their very first box and it blew me away. And let me tell you guys, their fall box is no different. I literally had to have my husband help me haul this thing in the house because, again, bunch of really huge, heavy items, amazing quality decor pieces. So as a reminder, the Steal It box is a seasonal box. It comes out quarterly, so spring, summer, fall, and winter, so 4 boxes a year. And with the purchase of your box, you do get access to the exclusive add-on shop as well as a fall style guide where they will show you how to style everything that you receive in your box, which is really helpful. So the first item in the fall box is probably my favorite because I just think it is the cutest ever, and it is this absolutely gorgeous white pumpkin ceramic pie plate, and you can see that it has this cute little pumpkin top. And then you can put your pie in there, your quiche, or whatever you're baking. Okay, so first of all, the quality is amazing. This is extremely heavy, absolutely gorgeous. And it's going to be great for if you have a Thanksgiving pie or you're having a fall party. So when I'm not using this for pie, I think I'll probably just leave it on our stovetop just because it is the cutest. I love that it's a neutral white, just a gorgeous ceramic pie plate. I've never seen one like it, so I'm really excited about that. Next up is another huge piece, and probably one of the reasons why the box was so flippin' heavy. And it is this wood slice 3-tier serving tray. And how freaking awesome is this, you guys? Look how big it is. And I wish you could feel it. It is extremely heavy, really well made. The wood looks real, which is awesome. And you can probably tell that this is moving around. It is free moving. So you can either have it like this where all of the layers are on top of each other, or you can turn them to give yourself some more room. For example, if you had like a taller treat to put on there. So I think this would be perfect for a fall wedding, or if you're doing like a rustic baby shower, this would be gorgeous. And when you're not using it for entertaining guests, it would also be really cute just as a home decor tiered tray. And you could put all of your little fall decor pieces on there. So this was a really fun surprise. Like, what box do you get something this huge in? Like, the value of this box is amazing, and everything in there is over $350. And trust me, that's not what you're gonna pay for the box. So it's an amazing value. Okay, so next up is this gorgeous fall garland. I love it. Ooh, it like matches my sweater. Beautiful kind of red-orange leaf garland. It does have wire in it, so you can kind of bend and flex it to your mantle or wherever you're going to be placing it. You could also wrap it around something, but just a beautiful garland for fall. The leaves are very lifelike. I love the pop of color. This is going to be gorgeous on our mantle. It is like a double layer garland, so very full, very lush. And a really great size. Like, you can see, this is very long. This is going to run the full length of any mantle. So I love that. Next up is this really cute pillow cover, and you can see that it is like a kind of like a canvasy, light cream, almost burlappy material with this black hatch design on it. This is a standard size pillow cover, so you just put your little feather pillow insert in there, and this is gonna be so cute. I'm loving the look of the more neutral plaid fall colors with the bright pops of red and orange. That's one thing that they're really good about over at Decor Steals with their Steal It box is curating a collection. Instead of just a bunch of random items in a box, I think that they really think about how things are gonna look together and kind of creating a motif and setting. Oh my gosh, you guys, how flippin' cute is this? So next up is this gorgeous, really heavy iron pumpkin trivet. So again, if you're entertaining for a fall party or Thanksgiving, this is a great trivet to have your dish on. I love little cute trivets like this, and it does have feet, so very cute. And I love the bronze kind of gold look. Then next up, really unique, I've never seen a piece like this. This is actually a candlestick tray. And again, it has little foam feet, so it's not gonna damage your furniture. And you can see it kind of has this distressed, sort of aged look to it. So it's like gray, but it has some kind of bronzy undertones. And then it has all of these little holders for your candlesticks. And it looks so pretty when you put all of the white candlesticks in there and light them. And then you could even add some decor here in this open part of the tray, and just a gorgeous, unique fall look. And I will be sharing with you guys how I styled all of these items so you can get a better idea of how everything will look in your homes. And then last but not least, in the fall Steal It box, this is the coolest ever, okay? They literally have a little mini fire pit this season. How stinking cute is this? Okay, so it's got the little rocks that you put all around the outside. It has a cute little wood stand, and then on the inside you just place your food grade fuel can. And it does have an adjuster inside, so it can hold a larger one or a smaller one, which is really nice. And you can just have your own little mini fire pit. And it also comes with your little roasting sticks, which I think is adorable. Look how cute this is for s'mores, you guys. Perfect for like a kid's party or even just a little small get together. I love that it's small. You don't have to splurge on a really expensive big fire pit. You can just bust this out whenever you want to have a couple s'mores or entertain. So this is seriously the cutest thing ever. I'm so excited to use this with the boys. I know that they're gonna absolutely love it. I just love how creative this is. Like, this is to me the perfect fall box. I think they thought of everything. A ton of really great, entertaining, and decorative fall items, and I highly recommend going and checking them out. So I'm going to go ahead and include a link for you to get your own Decor Steal It box for fall. Be sure to check out my last video if you're interested in what was in their summer box. And remember, you'll gain access to their exclusive add-on shop as well as a full fall style guide with tips and tricks and ideas for how to style and use all of the items in your fall box. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Leave me a comment down below and just let me know what you think of Decor Steal's fall box. And until next time, bye guys.